Hello students, we are doing chapter number 2 fractions and decimal, and today we will discuss exercise 2.6. In this exercise we have to do the multiplication of decimal number and division of decimal number. So first question is find the following 2.7 into 4. So you have to multiply 2.7 by 4. For multiplication you need to ignore decimal. First ignore decimal and do the simple multiplication. 27 into 4. So 4 7 28 to carry over 4 to 8, 8 plus 2 10. So here 27 into 4 is coming 108. Now you see here we have one decimal. If we put here one decimal, in answer also one decimal will come. So from last, always from right side you have to count the decimal. From right side one decimal. So answer is 10.8. Second part is 2.71 into 5. 2.71 into 5. So first do the simple multiplication. 271 multiplied by 5. 5 1 5, 5 7 35, 3 carry over, 5 2 10, 10 plus 3 30. Now in our question we have 2.71, 2 decimal are there. So from right side count 1 and 2. So decimal will come here, 13.55 is answer. Third part we have 2.5 into 0.3. So first multiply 25 by 3, 3 5 15, 3 2 6 plus 1 7. Now you can see here one decimal place we have here and one decimal is here. So total 2 decimals are there. So from last count 1 2. So decimal will come here. Before decimal you need to include 1 0. So 0.75 is answer. Fourth part 2.3 into 4.35. So write the bigger number up. 435 you can write first and 23 down. We know multiplication is commutative. If we change the order doesn't matter. Now multiply it. 3 5 15, 1 carry over, 3 3 9 plus 1 10 and 1 3 4 12 plus 1 30. Leave one place. 2 5 10, 1 carry over, 2 3 6 plus 1 7, 2 4 8. After that add it. 7 plus 3 0 plus 1 carry over, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. Now in question one decimal is here and one decimal is here. So total 2 decimal here, 1 decimal here, 3 decimal place are there. So from right side 1 2 3 and put decimal. Next fifth one we have 238.06 multiplied by 7.5. So 23806 multiplied by 75. 5 6 30, 3 carry over, 5 0 0 plus 3 3. 8 5 40, 4 carry over, 8 15 plus 4 19, 1 carry over. 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11. 7 6 42. 7 0 0 plus 4 4, 7 8 56, 5 carry over, 7 3 21 plus 5 26 and 7 2 14 plus 2 16. So we have 1785450. Now you see 2 decimals are here and 1 decimal here. So total we have 3 decimal. 1, 2, 3. So decimal will come here 1785.50. 450 is answer. Next, sixth one, 0.79 multiplied by 32.4. So 32.4 we have to multiply with 79. You can change the order. 9 4 36, 3 carry over, 9 2 18 plus 3 21, 2 9 3 27 plus 2 29, 7 4 28, 7 2 14 plus 2 16, 1, 7 3 21 plus 1 22. Now we have 1 decimal here and 2 decimal here. So total are 3 decimal. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 25.596. Next part we have 1.07 multiplied by 0.02. So ignore decimal, multiply 107 by 2. 7 2 14, 700 plus 1 4, 2 1 2. Now we have 2 decimal here and 2 decimal here. So total are 4 decimal. From right side if we count 1, 2, 3. So to create fourth place we will include here 1 0 and we will put decimal. So answer will be 0.0214. Eighth part, 10.05 multiplied by 1.05. Multiply it by 105. 5 5 25, 500 and 5 1 5. Leave the space. Next we have to multiply with 0. So everywhere 0 will come. Again leave one more place. Multiply it we have to do with 1. Add it. Now we have 2 decimal here, 2 decimal here. Total 4 decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 10.5525. Second question, find the following. 10.8 divided by 4. We have to divide 10.4, 10.8 by 4. So first we will divide this whole number. 4 2s are 8, it will go. Then remainder is 2 here. Now you can see after this point is there. So we have to put here also point. Put decimal here and then you take next number down. 8. Now 4, 7 times it will go. 4 7s are 28. So answer is 2.7. Second part, 126.3 divided. Second part, 126.35 divided by 7. So first we will divide this integral part. 7 1 is 7. 12 minus 7 5. Take 6 down. 56. 7 8 is 56. Now after 6 we have decimal, so we have to write here also decimal. Take another number down. 3. 7, from 7 we cannot divide 3. We have to take one more number. So at a time if we are taking 2 number down, then we have to include here 1 0. 7 5 is 35. So answer is here 18.05 is answer. Next third part, 22.5 divided by 1.5. These questions you can do by cancellation also. It is not necessary to do division. If it will go completely, you can use cancellation method also. For this question I am using that one. So 22.5 divided by 1.5. See the number of decimal here, 1 decimal, and down also 1 decimal is there. If you will remove this decimal, numerator decimal, then in denominator 10 you have to include. And from denominator if you remove the decimal, in numerator you have to include 10. So 1 decimal means 10, 2 decimal when you are removing 100, 3 decimal 1000, 4 decimal 10,000, like that you have to do. So you can see this 10 to 10 will cancel out. It means if you have same number of decimal, you can leave them. So this we can write as 225 by 15. Now it is your wish, you can use 3 table or 5 table. Suppose we are using 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Again we can use 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So answer is here 15. Or you can do the simple division also you can do. You will get in both the way same answer. Second to fourth part, 4.28 divided by 0.2. So 4.28 divided by 0.02. You can see here 2 decimal are here, 2 decimal are there. So we can remove this decimal. We can write it as 428 by 2. Including here 0 is not necessary. 002 is equal to 2 only. So if you remove this, down 100 will come, and when you will remove this, 100 will come. So 100 to 100 will cancel out. Now you can cancel with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So answer is here 214. Next fifth part, 3.645 divided by 1.35. So we can write it as 3.645 divided by 1.35. We will change it to like decimal, include one more 0, so it will be easy. Same number of decimal in numerator, same number of decimal in denominator. So we can leave the decimal now. It will become 3645 divided by 1350. You can cancel now by 5 table. 5 7s are 35, 5 2 14 and 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10 and 5 7s are 35, 0 as it is. After this you can cancel by 9 table. 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 0 as it is. Again you can cancel by 3 table. 3 10s are, 3 2s are and 7. You have 27 by 10. By 10 means 1 decimal place. So we can write it as 2.7. Sixth part, 0.72 divided by 0.04. 0.72 divided by 0.04. 2 decimal in numerator, 2 decimal in denominator. So we can leave the decimal. We can write it as 72 by 4. You can cancel by 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32. So answer is here 18. Seventh part, 13.06 divided by 0.8. 13.06 divided by 0.08. 2 number of decimal in numerator, 2 decimal in denominator. So we can leave the decimal and we can write 1306 by 8. Now you can do the cancellation with 8. If you don't know 8 table, you can use the small number also. Here use 2 4, 2 6 12, 5 and 3. Now you can see here it will not go by 4 because it is an odd number, and down you have a even number. So you can divide it. 653 divided by 4, 414, 4 6 24, 4 3 12. Then put decimal and take 0, 4 2 8. Again one more 0, 4 5 20. So answer is here 163.25. Next one, 58.635 divided by 4.5. 58.635 divided by 4.5. So first change it to the like decimal. Include 2 zeros. So now it become 3 decimal here, 3 decimal down. So we can remove the decimal. Do the cancellation with 5 table. 5 nines are 45, 3 zeros as it is. 5 1 5, 5 1 5, then 36, 5 7 35, 5 2 10 and 5 7 35. Again we can cancel with 9. 9,000, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, then 2 will not go, put 0 and 9 threes are 27. Now we have 1303 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000 means 3 decimals. So 1.303 is your answer. Question number 3. Multiply each by 10, 100 and 1000. Orally we have to multiply here. So first number is 5.9 multiplied by 10. When we are multiplying with 10, our decimal will shift one place right side. So decimal will shift from here to here. Answer will come 59.0. At last 0.0 is not necessary to mention. We can write 59 only. In second case we have to multiply by 100. By 100 means 2 place it will shift. So if you multiply 59 and 100, it will become 5900. One decimal means here decimal will come. So 590. Similarly here 59 into 1000 will be 59,000 and one decimal from last one decimal. So 5,900. Next 3.76 into 10. 337.6. One place it will shift right side. By 100 means 2 place it will shift. So it will reach here at end. 1000 times means 3 place. So 3, 7, 6 and third place will be 0. 3, 7, 6, 0. Third part 0.549. When we will multiply with 10, it will shift one place right side. So it will become 5.49. Multiply by 100 means 2 place right side. 54.9. By 1000 means 3 place. It will come after 9. So 549. 0.0 is not necessary to mention here. Question number 4. Divide each by 10, 100 and 1000. So division is just reverse of multiplication. In multiplication we have to shift decimal right side. But in division we have to shift left side. When we are dividing by 10 means 1 place left side. By 100 means 2 place left side. By 1000 means 3 place left side. So here it will become 0.48. 1 place it will shift. By 100 it will shift to 2 place. So 0.048. That place we have to fill with 0. Third 0.0048. From here to here 3 place it has shifted. Similarly second part. First when we will divide by 10. 1 place 3.853. When divided by 100 2 place 0.3853. By 1000 means 3 place 0.03853. Next one 128.9. When we will divide by 10. 12.89. 1.289 and 0.1289. Question number 5. Find the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth is given. Length is given here 5.7 meter and breadth is given 3.5 meter. And we know area is equal to length into breadth. 5.7 into 3.5. So 5.7 into 3.5 you have to multiply. 7 5 35, 3 carry over, 25 and 3 28, 21 2 15 70. And 2 decimals are there, 1 is here, 1 is here. So 19.95 meter square. Question number 6. The cost of 1 meter cloth is given and we have to find out the cost for 3.6 meter cloth. So cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 38, rupees 50 paise. So the cost of 3.6 meter cloth will be 38 rupees 50 paise multiply by 3.6. So multiply these two numbers, you will get 138.600. And because it is, we are talking about the money, so up to 2 decimal place only we have to write 138.60 paise. Next, question number 7. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 45.3 km in 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover in 5.9 liter petrol? So distance covered in 1 liter petrol equal to 45.3 kilometer. Next, distance covered in 5.9 liter of petrol equal to 45.3 multiplied by 5.9. Then you have to multiply these two numbers, which is equal to 26727 kilometer. Question number 8. If 1 kg of pure milk contains 0.245 kg of fat, how much fat is there in 12.8 kg of milk? So, fat in 1 kg of milk is equal to 0.245 kg. Therefore, fat in 12.8 kg of milk, 0.245 into 12.8. We have to multiply these two numbers. After multiplication, you will get 3.1360 kg. Because we are talking about kg, so up to 3 decimal it is enough to mention. Question number 9. If 242 rupees 0.46 rupees are to be distributed among 6 children equally, find the share of each child. So this money we have to divide into 6 children. It means we have to do division here. So each child's share is 242.46 divided by 6. You can do the cancellation. You can divide or directly you can cancel. 6 4 24, then 2 it will not go, put 0. Again 6 4 24 and 1. So 40 rupees 41 paise each child will get. Question number 10. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So distance covered in 2.4 liter petrol is 43.2 kilometer. Now you have to find out the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol will be 43.2 divided by 2.4. When we have to find out more to less, we have to divide. So we can divide it 43.2 by 2.4. Same number of decimal are there. You can leave the decimal. 4 3 by 24. You can cancel it by 4 table or 2 table. 2 12, 2 2, 1 and 6. Again you can cancel 2 6, 2 1 0 8 and then 6 1, 6 1 ja 6 8 ja 48. So it will come 18 kilometer. Question number 11. How many ice cream cones can be filled from 8.4 liter of ice cream if one cone can be filled with 35 milliliter of ice cream? So the number of cones will be total ice cream divided by capacity of one cone. So total ice cream is here 8.4 liter and down it is 35 milliliter. So we have to change this liter into milliliter. Both the units should be same. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So multiplied by 1000, 35. After multiplication with 1000, it will become 8400 by 35. You can cancel now with 5 table. 5 7 35. 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30, 8 ja and 0. Again 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 14, 7 4 28 and 0. So total 248 cones we can fill by this. Question number 12. If the product of two decimal number is 38.75 and one of them is 2.7, find the other number. So let the other number is x. Product of two number means we have to multiply. So 2.7, one number is 2.7, another we have taken as x, and their multiplication is equal to 38.745. So this 2.7 shift another side, it will go for division. 38.745 divided by 2.7. Change into the like decimal, include 2 zeros. So 3 decimal, 3 decimal. Now you can remove the decimal. 38745 by 2700. Now do the cancellation. You can do with 5 table. 5 7 ja 35, then 37, again 5 7 ja 35, 24, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 9 ja 45. Here 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20 and 0. You can cancel again by 9 table. 9 6 ja, then 9 8 ja 72, 54, 9 6 ja 54, 9 1 ja 9. Again you can check or you can divide it. After division you will get 14.35. So another number is 14.35. Question number 13. If 2/3 of a number is 10, what is the 1.75 times of that number? So let the number is x here. Then according to the question, 2/3 of x is 10. Keep x this side and 2/3 shift another side. It will reciprocal. 3 will go for multiplication. 2 will come for division. Do the cancellation. 15. So value of x is 15. Now we have to find out 1.7 times of number. So 1.75 times of x will be 1.75 into 15. Multiply these two numbers, you will get 26.25. Hope you understood this exercise. If you are having any doubt, you can send through comment box. Thank you for watching our video.